Hey guys, so this is another makeup tutorial. I'm doing a new eyeshadow that I made. It is perfect for my eyes and it's great for a holiday look. So I'm going to be showing you that, and I'm going to be showing you the colors that I'm going to be using. So let's get started. If you want to continue to watch this video, please do so. So here are the colors I'm going to be using to make this beautiful new eyeshadow look by LA Colors. So this is a new purple one, all the new purple ones, and then this one too is new. So these are the things I'm going to be using to make this new eye color. So let's get started. I'm going to be starting with this purple one I always use. You can go from night to day or day to night. I start with this, and if you see me looking up, it's because I'm looking up in a mirror, but I will try to bend down and show you guys. This is an amazing look. Like I said, it's great for holiday season. So I'm going to start with this side first and show you. So I just take it, go like that, and then do the other side. Oh, excuse me, I'm digesting. And then I want to make sure I get it in the corner, because on this side, on my right side, it looks kind of weird if I don't. So, okay, and then I take this pink one and this purple one and rub it together, and then I do the same thing. See how it's different, turning different color. And then I take this lighter purple and I take my finger, and then I take this darker purple, like a gray tone, this other purple, put it together and rub it on my eye. And I do the same thing with the other eye. So, and then I take this brighter purple and this other purple, I don't know if you can see right here, and I blend those two together and see. I've gotten a lot of compliments on this look. Like yesterday, I got a few compliments, so I love it. I tested it out before I started this video a couple of days ago, and I actually did it wrong, so I'm glad I didn't video that one. So, and then I just started using my brain and coming up with ideas, and I came up with a great color. So now I'm going to take this pink one, like I always do, and I'm going to use this pink right here and this one right here, and then rub it on my eye. Sorry, I'm looking up in the mirror too, because it's kind of hard to always look at my screen on my phone. So then I'm going to take this pink, this dark maroon color, and another pink, add it to my eye. This on. See how it's turning in pink? And then I'm gonna go on this side and do this and the pink. It's not so much pink now because I blended it so well that it became lighter. It's still kind of the same color, but I don't know if you can tell, but they're really pink if I look in the mirror. I don't know if they're really pink on the screen or what, but that's what I do. And then I go back with this pink and this one, and then this one. I go over it just like that. There's that. See how my eyes are really, really pink? I don't know if you can see it. But I did a makeup tutorial before on how to do the pink look. So I'll link that down below if you guys like that. So now I'm starting with the new purples by LA Colors. This palette is amazing. When I first tried it, I blended it wrong and it was like really bright pink. So, or purple I mean. So the following day I did this, what I'm showing you now, and it turned out really good. So I start with this lighter pink at the top and these three right here. And I put it on my eye. I love doing makeup. It makes me feel pretty. So I don't know if you can see the change yet, the eye color, but I can because I'm looking in the mirror. So now I'm going to take these purples and blend them together. And put them together. Sorry. See how it's becoming more purple? I kind of like it like this. And then I take this bottom one palette and I rub them together and I put them on my eye. Okay. See how it's different? I don't know if you can see that. Then I take two colors over here and blend them together. I'll show you. So now I'll do this over here, the same thing. I'm taking these over here and doing it. I don't know if I did it once before, but I'm gonna do it again. And then I'll take this over here and this one and blend it together. Blend it on my eye. My eyes are really purple. Now I'm gonna take this color, this palette, and see how it's blue, and then these over here, I'm gonna blend those together. I take the blue, see how it's blue, I blend it, put it on my eye. There's the blue. Then I take these brownish colors and I blend them together. And see. I moved my hair so I have a lot on. I just noticed that. But it still looks good. And blend them together. This is a great holiday look. I think I'm gonna wear it for Thanksgiving. See how my eyes are getting darker, but they're lighter at the same time? I'm so in love with it. So I do it again. See how it's like brownish gold? My hair is hooked onto my finger there. Sorry guys. I'm gonna look in the mirror really fast. Okay, now if you want it a little bit brighter, then I would add a little bit of this purple. So I'm gonna take this one again, a little bit of that, and then a little bit of the top. See how it's different color? Add that to it. So do it again. And there you have it. I don't know if you can see it, but I am going to come back with the end result. I'm going to put my mascara on and show you the end result. So stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm back. I just finished putting my mascara on. This is the end result of blending the purples together, the new purples I got, the eyeshadow with the pink by LA Colors. I'm totally in love with it. If you have dark skin, or lighter to dark skin, I highly recommend this color for you. I also have foundation on, so it's like making my face a little bit darker or lighter than it is originally. So I am so in love with this eyeshadow look. I've done a few makeup tutorials before. I did on a makeup tutorial on pink eyeshadow, so by LA Colors too, and I blended the purple and pink together and it turned out really well. So I will link that down below, and I will also insert in this video a picture of the colors that I used to achieve this look. So keep on watching, look forward to the next makeup tutorial, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.